Okay. This week in rock, we're going back to 1996. It was the year, if you were into video games and going to the arcade, you were probably behind the wheel playing Daytona USA or Cruising USA, or maybe if you were into the beat-em-up style.
So here it is, 2020 Cat 289 D3. Paint turned out perfect. Just the right sheen. Cat decal kit always looks great. Tracks are still pretty decent. They got some life left in them. This machine has 2,700 hours on it. It was from a rental fleet, came out of Florida. The paint was in pretty good shape. It didn't really need to be painted, but just, you know, getting in and out of the machine every day, you end up chipping off the paint here, you know, dragging chains in and out or whatever you're doing. So it made sense to paint it up. It's just such a new machine that might as well look new. So yeah, it wasn't a big deal to paint. A friend of mine did it, took him 2 days or something like that. We use the cat paint always, epoxy sealer for any spots where the paint is chipped off, like a primer sealer, and then apply the cat yellow, and it turns out great every time. Use the cat black on the black surfaces. This machine's got the backup camera, which is super nice to have. We got the windows tinted too. Just if you're running a machine like this all day, definitely nice to just nice to do that. This one's got the like air suspension seat, heated seat, Bluetooth stereo. Super nice. Love this machine. This is the high flow unit, 2-speed, hydraulic quick attach. Some of them have like an electric motor here for the quick attach. This one's fully hydraulic. It's way stronger, works way better. I love this thing. It's got a cat bucket on it. We got a pair of cat forks for it too. This thing, I got it up for sale, but we just built this house last year. So the garage is, everything's a work in progress. We'll line this garage with tin, some nice LED lighting in here and everything, but we're on about 2 acres of land, so there'll be tons of landscaping to do in spring. So if this doesn't sell and I still have it in spring, I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, there's another one done. Very happy with the results. Very excited to spend some time in a D3 too. The last one I had was a D2, and they change all kinds of stuff on these machines. They're so much nicer to operate. So I'm excited to spend some seat time in this thing. Thanks for watching, and let's get on to the next project.